In this tutorial, I'll show you how to give Claude the ability to generate and edit images using Google's Nano Banana, the Gemini image models. By the end, you'll be able to type "generate a product photo" and Claude will make it for you. Here's the idea. Claude talks to a small MCP server called mcp-image, which calls Google's Gemini image models, and the finished picture lands in a folder on your machine. MCP is just the standard way Claude plugs into outside tools like this. You'll need 3 quick things: Claude Code, a Gemini API key, and Node.js so that npx can launch the server. You'll also pick a folder where your images get saved. First, head to astudio.google.com, sign in with Google, and create an API key. The key itself is free to make, but keep in mind that actually generating images is billed per image, so you'll need a billing account on the Gemini API. Now the one command that wires it all up. In your terminal, run Claude mcp add mcp-image with --scope user, pass your Gemini key and an output directory as environment variables, then npx-y mcp-image to launch the server. One thing to watch: the output directory must be an absolute path, and scope user makes it available across all your projects. Here's the payoff. I just asked Claude to generate a product photo of a matte black water bottle on a sunlit table. Claude calls the mcp-image tool, Gemini renders it, and the finished photo is saved to my output folder automatically. It's not just fresh images. Give it an existing file with the input image path and describe the change in plain English, like make the background pure white, and it edits the picture while keeping the original style consistent. That's perfect for product shots and banners. Quick note on options. The mcp-image server we just set up works cleanly in Claude Code with that one command. There's an alternative, Nano Banana MCP, but for that one add it through the Claude desktop config JSON block, not the CLI, because its documented one-line command is malformed. And the cost? The key is free to create, but there's no free tier for image output. A circumflex euros each image runs you about 3 to 4 cents on Nano Banana, so you'll need a Gemini API billing account. The install itself is a single command. So to recap, create a Gemini key, run the one Claude mcp add command with your key and an output folder, then just ask Claude to generate or edit an image. The files save straight to your folder. If this helped, subscribe for more hands-on MCP tutorials. This one was made by the team at Remarketly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.